Good morning, boys and girls. So, it's our favorite day. It's math day, and we have a new number this week. So the first thing I want to start with is showing you the number line to give you some clues. So you can kind of see under my paper. Try not to peek. On our number line, we have 7, our mystery number, and number 9. If we were trying to figure out what our mystery number was, could we try counting forward on our number line? We could. Let's do this together. 7, 8, 9. It erased a little bit. Let me fix that for us. Our number this week is number 8, right there in the middle. So we're going to learn lots of interesting, fun things about number 8. We're going to practice counting to 8, recognizing number 8, and then I'm going to show you some things that you can do at home. So the first thing I want to show you is I have a paper plate, and Miss Nikki just drew some dots on it, and this is how we work on our subitizing. Remember, subitize is to see something and think fast, and we've been doing that in the classroom, but now I'm going to challenge you to try it at home. So when you see my paper plate, what do you see? I have 4 dots and 4 dots. That's right, 4 and 4 is 8. So just like I made at school, you can make some subitizing cards at home. You could practice on numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or 8. Put some dots on a plate and the number on the back. And then maybe your grown-ups at home or your brothers and sisters you can play this game with. Show them really quick and try to make them think, what is that? 4 and 4, 8. Get really, really fast. All right, friends, so the next thing I need you to take out at home is your number sense game. So we're going to flip it, build it, and then we're going to make it on our 10 frame. So since we're learning about number 8, which card do you think we should find? That's right, let me get my screen ready. All right, friends, so make sure you have found your number 8. It's kind of like a racetrack. Curve around, back up, and close that gate. That's the way we make an 8. Curve around, back up, close that gate. That's the way we make an 8. So our 8 is our flip it number this week. So the next thing we'll take out are our yellow and red circles. And I'm going to come up with a way to make 8. All right, so count with me. I'm going to start with yellow first. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 yellow. And if you think about my paper plate, what do I need over here now? 2 sets of 4 made 8. So let's see if I can add 4 red this time. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 plus 4 more. Should we count to make sure that we're right? All right, I wrote out my number sentence. Now let's see if we can get the right answer. So let's count. Let's start with my yellow. We'll count forward from 4 since we've already started here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Way to go, boys and girls. Kiss your brains. We know that 4 plus 4 is 8. What if I mix it up a little bit? This time I'm going to move some of my yellow over here. So now I have 3 yellow and 5 red. I wonder if that still makes 8. I'm going to write my number sentence down. 3 plus 5. Let's see if we still have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Way to go, our answer didn't change. So our new number sentence could be 3 plus 5 is 8. And if I wanted to get real snazzy and fancy, I could turn that into a number bond, because remember, our number bonds are another way to show the whole number and the parts. So since our whole number is 8, I've made the 8 on top. Remember, we had 3 plus 5, and that gave us our 8. 3 parts plus 5 parts is 8 on our number bond. Keep this in mind because here in a little bit we're going to listen to our number bond song so we can see if we can come up with a few more. All right, now it's your time. Remember, on your board, if you'd like to at home, so you can make it look like Miss Nikki's, you can turn it horizontal. I'm going to get out my big 10 frame. And what lets me know that this is a 10 frame? We have how many boxes on top? That's right, we have 5 on top. How many on bottom? That's right, 5 more. So 5 and 5 gives us our 10 frame. So since this is the last week before Christmas break, I thought it would be fun to use my Jingle Bells one more time. So I'm going to make 8 on the 10 frame. At home, you can use your yummy snacks like Goldfish, M&Ms. If you want, you can even use your red and yellow circles. So let's see if we can make 8 on our 10 frame together. I'm not going to count this first row because I already know that there's 5 on top. So there's 5. Now, how many more do I need to make 8? Might be a number sentence and a number bond we just made. 5, 6, 7, 8. So just like we wrote it on our number bond, we have 5 plus 3 more to give us our 8. How many more do we need to make 10? How many open boxes do you see? That's right, 2. So we need 2 more to make 10. Way to go, boys and girls. You all are so smart. I miss seeing you do this in the classroom with me. All right, so I'm going to put my Jingle Bells away for just a little bit. Last week, I brought out my ice cream cone to show you. Today, it's a little chilly to have ice cream, but I thought it would still be fun. What number do you see on my ice cream cone? That's right, the number 8. Curve around, back up, close the gate. There's our 8. So we need 8 scoops of ice cream this time. Last week we did pink, blue, and made a pattern. I thought it would be fun to do another pattern, but this time ABA is going to look different. This time we're going to have an AAB pattern, which means orange, orange, green. So let's see if we can make an AAB pattern and make 8 scoops. So count with me. 1, 2. What color do you think is next? I have 2 oranges. That's right. This time we're going to add a green. 3, 4. What color? That's right. 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 giant scoops of ice cream, but we also made a pattern. So let's go over our pattern rule together. Orange, orange, green. Orange, orange, green. Orange, orange. If I was going to add one more scoop to make 9, what color would it need to be? That's right, it would be green, the next color in our pattern. Way to go, friends. You all are so smart. All right, at home, we get to take out something really fun. Get your Play-Doh ready, because we're going to build the number 8 together. I'm going to squeeze off a piece. And remember, when we work with our Play-Doh, we roll it, we pinch it. So let's see if we can make a number 8 out of Play-Doh. Roll it, roll it, roll it. Uh-oh. Now, my 8's going to look a little bit different than it would if we were writing it. Just because Play-Doh is so much fun to work with, but it's not like using a pencil. All right. I'm going to start at the top, curve around. Uh-oh, I didn't quite have enough. Curve around, pinch it together, come back up and close that gate. Check out what Ms. Nikki just made. Number 8. Curve around, come back up, close the gate. There's our 8. Challenge you to try that at home. Maybe you can even make some of our other numbers we've learned about, 1 through 7. All right, friends. So if you have a piece of paper at home and a marker, I want you to get it out, and I want you to draw 8 objects on your paper. I'm not going to show you what I'm making. Just like my candy canes and my trees, I'm going to keep it a mystery. And when I'm done, I'm going to see if Miss Nikki made this right. Are you ready? I'm hoping these are beautiful. What are you going to make 8 of at home? I'm almost ready. All right, friends, are you ready to see my creation? Miss Nikki made 8 snowflakes. Let's count my work to make sure I did this right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Uh-oh, Miss Nikki, you made a boo-boo. Did I make 8 snowflakes? I didn't. I made a mistake. How many more do I need to make 8? Think about my plate that I had. I had 4 dots, just like I have 4 snowflakes. And then on the bottom row on the plate, I have 4 dots. But how many snowflakes did I draw? That's right, only 2. So how many more do I need? 2 plus 2 more. So let's see if I add 2 more snowflakes, what happens. All right, friends, let's count these together again. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whew! I saved the day. 8 snowflakes. I would love to see what you're making at home. All right, guys, and the last thing that we're going to do is we're going to create a few more number bonds with our number bond song. So let's get ready. Got my marker handy.
Number bonds that make 8. I know my number bonds, they help my math stay strong. 2 parts make a whole. Let's move and sing along. Right on.
All right, here we go. Let's see what Jack Harmon comes up with.
For the other part, both on just for the whole. Let's go. 0 plus 8 makes 8.
0 and 8.
1 plus 7 makes 8.
1 and 7.
2 plus 6 makes 8.
2 and 6.
3 plus 5 makes
We came up with that one, 3 and 5.
4 plus 4
Oh, we had this one too, 4 and 4.
5 plus 3 makes
Kind of the same, we had that one.
6 plus 2 makes 8.
6 plus 2, that was just like my objects I drew.
1 makes 8. 8 plus 0 makes 8.
Way to
Those
go.
are the number bonds
That make 8.
0 plus 8 makes 8.
All right, friends, so I'm going to pause it right there. Think about some of the sets. So we've already, Miss Nikki's going to write the one that we came up with together. My whole number was 8, and we had already said 3 plus 5 is 8. As a number sentence, it looks just like this. 3 plus 5 equals 8. Let's see if we can come up with 2 more sets of numbers. So I'm going to write my whole number, which is number 8. That's the big number we want to get. Let's see. I think I'm going to pick number 6 for us. So at home, everybody hold up 6 fingers. We need to count to see how many more we need to make 8. And that will be our answer for the other part. 6. Let's add some fingers. 7, 8. So how many fingers did I add? That's right, I added 2. So we could say that 6 plus 2 gives us our whole number of 8. Way to go, friends. All right, so let's try one more. Let's do a review one. This was one of the very first number bonds or number statements that we did. I'm going to pick number 4. Think about our subitizing plate. We had 4 dots, and how many more did we need to make 8? That's right, 4. So we could say that 4 plus 4 equals 8. Boys and girls, there are a lot more options and number bonds that you can come up with at home. I challenge you, get creative. See if you can come up with something different than what Miss Nikki did. Have a great day, friends. Bye.